Let's create one more tutorial in FreeCAD. In this video you'll learn to use pad, pocket, fillet, datum plane, and mirror. So open the FreeCAD and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. We will create the base, so here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we'll create a line here with 90 millimeters, create a line here with 5 millimeters, and create this arc here with 15 millimeters of radius. Go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select the polyline here, click here in this point, make a line here, and here go to arc from 3 points, make an arc here, and go to dimension, the distance here 90 millimeters, the distance here 5 millimeters, and this arc here has 15 millimeters of radius. Go to constraint, select the tangent, select this arc and this line here, and go to horizontal vertical, select this point and the center of this arc. Now we will create a line here with 25 millimeters, this line with 10 millimeters, and here we will create a line and this arc here with 25 millimeters of radius. And this arc is concentric with this one, so the center of this arc is here. So open the FreeCAD, select polyline, click here, and select arc from center, click here in this point, the radius here 25, make an arc here, and go to constraint, select coincident, select this point and this point here, and go to sketch dimension. Make sure that this line here is a horizontal line, and go to dimension, the distance here 25, 10 millimeters here, and here we need to create this line and close the sketch here. Okay, so select polyline, click here and this line, select the line here and create another line here, and go to dimension, the length here is 10 millimeters. We made this profile. Now leave the sketch and go to pad. We needed to extrude this 60 millimeters of length. So the mode here, select symmetric, the length 60 millimeters, and press OK. And now we will create this cut here. So we will select this face to create a sketch, and we'll make a circle here with 17 millimeters of radius, and the center of the circle will be in the center of this edge here. So open the FreeCAD, select this face here and go to create a sketch. Go to external projection, select this line here and select the circle. Make a circle here. The diameter is 34 millimeters of diameter. And make sure that the center of the circle is coincident with this line and vertical with the midpoint, or in the center of this line here. Leave the sketch, go to pocket, and the type here, select it through all and press OK. We made this one. And now we will create this pipe here. So here we have two circles, one with 10 millimeters, 20 millimeters of diameter, and the other with 30 millimeters of diameter. And the distance between the center of the circle and the midpoint is 50 millimeters and 40 millimeters. So go to create a sketch and select the front plane, select the circle, make a circle with 30 millimeters of diameter and another one with 20 millimeters of diameter, and go to dimension, select the center of the circle, 50 millimeters in this side and 40 millimeters in this side. And leave the sketch, go to pad. The length here is 30 millimeters. So select mode symmetric, the length 30 millimeters and press OK. Now go to create a sketch again and select the front plane. And now we will create this line here and this line here. This line is tangent in the both sides, and this line is coincident with this point and tangent with this circle. So the first thing here, go to external projection, select this point here and select this circle and select this arc here. And select a line, click here at this point, make a line here. This line must be tangent with the circle. And select this circle here again and select this arc here. This line must be tangent in the both sides. And now select line. Let's create this profile. Make a line here. Let me remove this tangent here. Make a tangent here in this side. And make this line tangent here. And let me see here. It's not tangent. So here go to coincident. Select this point and this point here. And here go to arc from 3 point. Click here in this point and this point here. Make an arc here. And make an arc here. We made this profile. And select the circle. Make a circle here. And the circle is the same dimension of this one. Leave the sketch and go to pad. Select this profile and the thickness here is 10 millimeters, okay? The mode, select symmetric, the length 10 millimeters and press OK. And now we will create the fillet in the corners here. The fillet is 10 millimeters of radius. So go to fillet, select this edge here, this one. The radius here, 10 millimeters and press OK. Now we need to create this rib here. And first we needed to create a plane here. So we'll create an offset from the right plane with 40 millimeters of distance. So show the origin. I will hide this bar a little bit. Sorry, let me hide here. And go to Datum Plane. Select this plane here. And the Z direction here is 40 millimeters. And press OK. Hide the origin and show the body here. And select this new plane and go to create a sketch. And here go to external projection. Select this point here. And select this point here. And select the polyline. We needed to select this point here, sorry, this line here, okay? And select the polyline, click here in this point, make a line here between these 2 points, and make a line here a little bit to make this rib, a correct rib here. Make a line here, make this sketch, okay? And go to dimension. This line here we use 3 millimeters, okay? And we made this profile. Leave the sketch and go to pad. And the mode here, select symmetric. And the distance here is 10 millimeters of length. So the length here 10 millimeters and press OK. We made this profile here. Now we need to create the same in the other side. So go to mirror and the transform body, select it, transform two shapes, add features, select this face here, and the plane here is wax Z plane and press OK. We made this, hide this datum plane, and here we finish our exercise. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.